Now let's talk about decentralization in the pin and where this stands today. So currently there are several types of nodes like car verifier nodes, ATA checker node, Lumos verifier node, X protocol, Zadian nodes, and all these node projects that are out there. Now these nodes from these projects aim to decentralize their respective networks. But here's the question, are they truly decentralized? Now to understand this, I personally break decentralization into two parts. Now on the first part, we have the node operators, which are the individuals that are running the nodes. Now on the second layer, we have the compute layer, and those are technically the computers or the servers on which the nodes are being run on. Now most of these projects have done a very good job with respect to the node operators. And here, instead of a single entity buying and operating all these nodes, they have created a network where different people like you and me would be able to run the nodes. Now this is working quite well and has been extremely successful. We've seen projects like ATA selling the highest number of nodes that has ever been done in the history of today. Now the real bottleneck lies in the second aspect, which is the compute layer, which is the engine of the network. Now even though these nodes are operated by a decentralized group of people, the servers powering all these nodes are still unfortunately mostly centralized. They are currently hosted on most of the platforms like AWS, Contabo, DigitalOcean, Testnet, RackNet, and all those VPS service providers that are out there. Now this creates a significant risk because it doesn't truly solve the problem of decentralization. And this is what NodeOps exactly aims to fix with the Atlas network. Now with them running over 48,000 nodes on their platform, instead of these nodes being run on centralized servers, the Atlas network that they have built would allow anyone with a decent compute resources like you, me, anyone to contribute their resources for nodes to be run on. And by doing so, the compute layer becomes decentralized as well, which is good, right? But here's the exciting part. As a compute provider, you would get paid whenever a node is run on your machine. So when setting up a node on Atlas, you would see a list of compute providers to choose from. And if someone selects your machine, you would earn rewards. Now, compute providers would receive 25% of the subscriptions paid by the node operators. And additionally, 15% of their total node token supply is reserved exclusively for the compute provider rewards. Now this makes this one of the most lucrative earning opportunities in the recent airdrop campaign. And what this does is that it creates a unique incentivized ecosystem that not only addresses the challenge of decentralization, but also ensures the network's long-term sustainability.